today's episode. Today we're working on a Chevy Silverado. It's a 2019. We're installing the rough country suspension leveling kit for the front. This kit you can put from 2007 to 2019 models. So stay tuned and watch how this. Okay, what you want to do first is jack up the car and put some jack stands on those points to support the vehicle. And then you want to take off the wheel. Start by removing all these wires that are held up. And this one's a clip down here. Take that out. This one up here. Then you got this one back here. You pop it out. And then this has a clip over here on this side. So you pop those out. Then you pop off the brake line. And set it to the side. Nut. Pop it out. Oops. Next, we're gonna remove bolts down here. I'm not gonna use these again because it comes with new bolts, so disregard those. With a screwdriver, you wanna pry these out the way, pop them out. Pop right out. You're gonna disregard those too. So this side was the 18. You gotta use a swivel with it to take that out. And then for the bottom ones, it was a 15 for this bolt, so we took off from the strut. And now we're removing the sway bar link nut, and that's an 18. And then you drop your whole suspension down. And now we're gonna get a leveling kit. All right, so now we're gonna install the leveling kit. Make sure it goes like this. So you're gonna forget to put the washers on the bolts. All right, so then you put them through. Make sure and then you have your assistant put up the arm. Put the sway bar link nut back on. Tighten up the bottom sway bar link. Snug it up. Put that on. Then you can click all your sensors back on, sensor wires. Hold it with a 17 ratchet from the top. And that's how you install the leveling kit. Make sure everything's tight, snug it up with a ratchet, and that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and hit that bell to get updates on, I work on everything. So peace. All right, so that's how she looks after the leveling kit. She looks fresh. Yep. Definitely a nice truck.